Hi guys, Steph here. Right, so we're going to carry on the Parker 51 theme as from my last video that you've just seen. Now this one is just showing you yet another Parker 51, another mark that I did not show you on my previous video. And how did this particular model come about? Nice and simple. You people that watch my videos on a regular basis, you would see that not occasionally, I think quite a lot of times, I find these Parker 51s. Now don't get me wrong, some of them are in very nice condition. However, others, yes, are not in so good condition and they have issues. And this is just a little example. I just got sort of literally half a dozen. And when I say they've got issues, it's especially on the caps. Now you can see this one's got this wear mark round the cap there. We've got another one, couple of little dings. You can see it's got a wear mark there as well. We've got another one. This one's a little bit more severe. You can see again this wear mark running around the cap there. And again, it tends to be a common fault. You can see this one also has this little wear mark and I think a couple of little dings. This one, yeah, you can see it's got this mark here as well. So basically, when we find them, you can see that a lot of these Parker 51s, the caps have issues. Okay. Now, okay, some people maybe don't mind these little issues. If that's the case, you're quite happy carrying on as you are. But for me personally, when I find them, with this sort of wear mark here, there's not a great deal you can actually do with them. Okay, so yeah, what do? Do you sort of discard them? Do you replace the cap? Yeah, these people may do something different than I do, but so basically what happens, as I say, I find these 51s. These, by the way, are just the luster alloy caps. The rolled gold caps, well, that's a different story. They come with, they come with brassing, wear marks, etc., etc. But what I'm doing, I'm just concentrating on the luster alloy caps. So once again, what happens when we find these pens in this, well, especially not so much, the pens, obviously some of them have issues, but what do we do when we find the caps that are worn and look a little bit on the tatty side? Well, I'll tell you what we do. We do this. Okay, so back on the subject of Parker 51s, different marks, etc. This is one that I didn't show you in my previous video. This is a Parker 51 in classic black, and this is the SCC model. Yes, so after all that Mark 1, Mark 2, Mark 3 malarkey, we've got, yes, another one, the Parker 51 SCC. No, I'm only joking. The SCC stands for Steph's Custom Cap. So basically, from what I've just said to you, with all these caps that have got dings, that have got bad wear marks, some of them have rusting, what I tend to do is my own personal custom cap, as you can see here. Okay, this was in rather a sorry state. I should have actually done a before and after, but I forgot to do it. So what you can see here is one of my, as I say, one of my custom caps. And what it is, it's this sort of brushed effect. It's like a matte brushed effect with these sort of vertical fine lines running down the length of the cap. As you can see, we've still keep the original clip there, but to the top, what I like to do is add a cabochon, a semi-precious stone. In this particular case, it's the semi-precious stone they call jet, and as you can see, it's jet black. Okay, so there you go, and I think that adds a lovely touch to the black barrel or the black pen itself. Very, very nice indeed, if I may say so myself. So that's what I do when I find a tatty cap to improve it, and personally I feel it improves it 100%. I think they look very, very attractive. So there we have it, the Parker 51 Classic Black SCC model, and it's a standard Parker 51, you know, capped. It's 140 millimeters capped. The barrel itself is 11.5 millimeters in diameter. We've got the very recognizable hooded nib. As you can see, everything is totally clean. The pen has been fully restored internally. It's got the aerometric filling system with Parker 51 to the case there, and it's the filling instructions. Press the ridged bar 4 times. Okay, and it's got the little stud to the end, as we've mentioned in the previous video. So this one has been fully disassembled. All the internal collector, the feed, the nib itself have all been cleaned. The aerometric filler inside has been thoroughly cleaned as well. And this particular pen is going to a customer of mine across the pond. So hopefully you like what you see, Hockwin. So this is your pen, and it'll be on its way to you very, very soon. So let's pop the cap back on. I'm not going to do a writing sample. As I said, it's been thoroughly cleaned internally, and it's now ready for the customer to fill with his favourite ink and, well, enjoy the pen. So there we have it. I've actually shown you one of these before in the past, but I thought I'd just show, you know, as we're talking about 51s, I thought I'd actually show you this pen. Incidentally, this one made in England, circa 1950s. But as you can see, lovely classic black, gorgeous condition now. And then, you know, the icing on the cake, as far as I'm concerned, in this is this gorgeous customized brushed cap, as you can see there, which again, repeat to myself, is 100% better than the original cap when I found it. So there we have it, a gorgeous customized cap on the Parker 51, yes, Mark 1 or a Mark 2 if you take the Vacuumatic as a Mark 1. Oh, how complicated. So there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed looking at this pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, give the video a thumbs up if you will. Leave a comment down below. Don't be shy. Tell me what you think. Do you like it? Do you not like it? Tell me what you think. But for now, I'm just going to say Slava Ukraini from me and this lovely pen. Bye-bye for now.